Hello YouTube and welcome diecast enthusiasts. Today's letter is M for muscle machine, and this is one of my favourites purely because of the colour. I love bright colours on display, and this one really highlights well in the cabinet, being in this very vivid pink colour. Probably not everybody's choice, but I really like it with the pale pink back bed and the darker cerise pink flames coming up from the front. A real stunner. Now it's the 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. As I said, it's M2 from the Ground Pounders range. Lovely huge chrome there with an opening bonnet and engine detail. Lovely deep dish rear wheels there with white wall tyres. Nice little touch with the rear lights there, 1953 plate. Big bore twin exhaust coming out the reverse there. Absolutely stunning. I really like this colour. Now the chrome on the front really shows up well against the pink. A lovely contrast. Now I'll just close that bonnet for a moment. There we are. It's so nice for a 1/64 scale to have this amount of detail and to look this good. Really is. So I hope you've enjoyed this very short video highlighting one of my favourite pickup trucks from the M2 range. Just like to say take care, BFN, bye for now.